Welcome back to our channel, Foodies. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the vibrant and diverse culinary world of Sri Lanka. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey filled with flavors, spices, and traditions that will leave you craving for more. And if you're planning a visit to this beautiful island, this video is your ultimate guide to experiencing Sri Lankan food culture like a local. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our delicious content. Sri Lanka, known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, is not only famous for its stunning beaches, lush tea plantations, and ancient temples, but also for its rich culinary heritage. The country's food culture is a delightful fusion of aromatic spices, fresh ingredients, and time-honored techniques, influenced by various cultures that have left their mark throughout history. One of the best ways to explore Sri Lankan cuisine is through its vibrant street food scene. As you wander through the bustling streets, you'll be greeted by mouth-watering aromas and colorful food stalls. Don't miss out on the iconic Kottu Roti, a popular dish made with chopped roti, vegetables, and your choice of meat or seafood, all sizzled on a hot griddle. It's a true sensory experience. When it comes to traditional Sri Lankan meals, rice takes center stage. The staple dish, known as rice and curry, consists of fragrant rice accompanied by an array of flavorful curries, chutneys, and sambals, from fiery chicken curry to creamy dal curry and tangy Kottu Roti sambal made with fresh herbs. Each bite is a burst of taste that will transport you to culinary paradise. Sri Lankan food is more than just a feast for the taste buds. It's a celebration of community and togetherness. The locals take pride in sharing their meals with family and friends, often sitting on the floor and using their hands to savor the flavors. This communal dining experience, known as eating with hands, creates a warm and intimate atmosphere, making every meal a memorable occasion. Beyond the incredible food, Sri Lanka offers a treasure trove of culinary adventures for travelers. From exploring the aromatic spice gardens in Matale to venturing into the iconic tea plantations of Nuwara Eliya, your journey will be filled with unforgettable encounters and picturesque landscapes. And let's not forget the bustling local markets, where you can indulge in exotic fruits, aromatic spices, and freshly caught seafood. So, whether you're an adventurous foodie or simply looking to immerse yourself in a vibrant culture, Sri Lanka has something to offer for everyone. From the bustling streets to the serene countryside, every bite will be a revelation, and every meal will be a story to cherish. That's it for today's video, Foodies. We hope you enjoyed this tantalizing glimpse into the world of Sri Lankan food culture. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting